So I'm going to show you how I got this hairstyle. I'll attach as well I don't want to say the video inspiration, but the YouTuber who I follow the step-by-step by to achieve this look, as well as I will attach, I don't think I have it before. I think I have it before. I have one video in action of me actually doing it, and then I recorded myself afterwards, and of course like the end result and stuff. But I like how it looks. I like the style. It was what I was going for anyway. I like the messy, natural, curly vibes. Some of it, this is my first time doing it. Some of the locks, whenever I was curling it, I don't know, if I guess I gave a little too much of the spring twist to it, but some of them are a little bulky, others are kind of like smaller, similar, and it makes it look like it's like one big one. But either way, this is a good hairstyle to have, especially because I'm not trying to be in my hair and do the whole slick back ponytail or flat iron my hair or anything like that, but I love it. So stay tuned. This was the only before picture that I had, but I basically had plaited my hair in different sections. I'm not going to say like even sections, but they were plaited up, and then I proceeded to do the hairstyle after that. So this is the crochet locks hair that I use. I know this is a 1, but I had to use a 1B30 in case I needed like extra. I had also gotten a 1. I think I used a total of like 4 packs. Yeah, because I got 4 left. And then this is the spring twist hair that I used to wrap my crochet. And then what else did I get? The crochet collect. Yeah, you can't see that. Still can't see it. Come on, focus. Why not focusing? I can't even pronounce it. I can't show it. Oh, what's going on with this camera? But this extra FreeTress braid in here was what was used to add the extra curls to my hair. And yeah. So in this, I'm just showing my progress so far and how it's looking. So far, I was thinking it would look good, and then I was trying to get the lighting to look good or whatever, but obviously it's bright as heck in my room. Yeah, I was just jamming out. But I had took the crochet hair, opened up the hole at the top, and basically with the plaits, I put the crochet curly in the middle of my plait. I'm gonna add the YouTuber who actually inspired as well as did the step-by-step of how to do this hairstyle. I'll add her in the description, her page, her channel. But yeah, I basically followed the same steps that she did with that. So like I said, I'm taking the crochet here in the middle of my plait braid, and then I'm taking the end of the plait and crocheting it to the root of the braid to make it like a fold, and then I would just level it out or even it out with the hole or the middle of the braid to match the crochet. And then I would get my curly spring twist hair, and then I did a little bit of the Kanekalon FreeTress hair to get that extra curly wavy, and I put them together. Put them together, crocheted to the root of my hair like I was saying earlier. And this was my first time doing it, so not as fast. Was trying to make sure everything was right. I think I might have struggled in this clip version because I have another clip that's a little bit longer than this one. But yeah, once I was able to pull it through evenly, I'll even it out, or more so I have more hair on one end as compared to the other. And then I just twist it. I don't know if it's going to show it in this one or not, but I just twist it. This one just shows another snippet of me doing the same process again. So just um, basically like rinse and repeat. So got the crochet curly fox lock, took it in the middle of my plaited braid, which I just wait and explain it as I do it, but I'm too busy jamming. Yeah, I just take the fox lock in the middle of my plait. And then I take the end of the plait and take it to the root and crochet it there. I'm over here tweaking because I couldn't find the crochet needle. And I'm getting the Kanekalon and then the spring twist, mixing them together. And crocheting it through the base of my hair where the plait is at. And then I was struggling in this one compared to the last clip that I showed you of me doing this, but once I eventually got it, I um, pulled the spring twist and the Kanekalon through the base of my hair, and then I guess you can say even it out, but I would have one side longer than the other side, and then I would start wrapping and twisting it from the base until I got to the middle of the plait where I had crocheted the fox lock, and then either I will twist back upwards or go further down a little bit more into the end of it. I was trying to make each one look like it was naturally um, like a natural fox lock, like one smooth, I guess, lock braid twist. But um, I I noticed that I struggled really with trying to twist the back of my head, so a lot of those locks are kind of like bigger. But either way, first of all, who's gonna look at the back of my head? Second of all, if they do see the back of my head, it's okay. It's whatever at this point. But as long as I'm not in my hair, in my head like that, that was what I was going for. I really like the Fox Lock natural look, a little bit of messy natural look. It's a good style to have for like a good month or two, but I just really didn't want to keep doing slip back buns or flat ironing or blow drying my hair, then trying to figure out what to do then. So that's really why I did this hairstyle. But um, I'll show, of course, the after video. I think I have two. Yeah, I have two after videos. One when I first finished it, and then the second one when I kind of put my lashes on and showed what my lashes. But I really like this style, and I'm really proud of myself for doing it for a beginner. So I feel like if you're watching this or anyone that's watching this, um, you can do it as well. And trust the process. So at first, if it doesn't look right or you feel like you're not succeeding, do a couple more. Practice makes perfect, and just go with the flow, you know? Yeah, I finally finished and just checking it out, looking at it. But that was basically the process during the whole time. I mainly didn't record like beginning to the end, me just feeling myself again and listening to music, but beginning to end because it took a very long time. I took breaks as well as a girl was just tired of fighting through it and a lot of distractions. So I was getting easily distracted, but it did get done. It just took a hot minute. I think I finished at like 2:45 or 2:50 in the morning, but I was just determined not to make this I guess you can say a 2 day, and it was more like 1.5 day of me doing this because I pre-did the plaits braids. Thursday night. Yeah, Thursday night I washed my hair and did the plaits. And then Friday I went early in the morning. I went to the beauty supply store, which where I'm at currently. It's an hour and some change to the beauty supply store. So I had to go there, come back, and then I ate first, and then I started on it afterwards, and it just took forever. Plus, I have a lot of hair, and I don't think they're evenly the same size with the plaits, but it did get done. It did get done. So, just another word of advice: if you don't want to take too much of a long time, kind of make your plaits bigger and evenly sized as much as you can. Of course, if you can't, not a big deal. Just know if you have a lot of hair and a lot of head, or yeah, a lot of hair basically, that you're gonna be there a while. But it's okay as long as you trust the process and continue doing continue doing the hairstyle that you want, then you can be successful. But hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and yeah.
Shot strictly taking shrooms, getting on the purse on some blue type shit. Shot make you work, not buy type shit. Got no purse on some